Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William on in India. So let's start with the Nifty setup. So, it continues to be on a good shape. So distribution day count low, that is only one. And if you see Nifty is trading about its all key moving averages. So short-term moving average is almost same है यहाँ पे 10 EMA और 21 EMA. So this pink line is 10 EMA and the green one is the 21 EMA. So almost at a similar level, and Nifty is trading more than 1% above that moving average. So that is really positive for the Nifty. The second important thing to watch out is the 50 DMA, that is a golden crossover happening in the Nifty. The red line over here is the 50 DMA, this one that is coming higher, right? And the black line over here is the 200 DMA. So as you can see over here, the red one is crossing above the black one. So whenever the 50 DMA crosses about 200 DMA, that is a golden crossover. So it's a good setup. So no doubt. But however, what we are looking for, the focus is on the distribution day count. जबकि निफ्टी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन डे होता है when Nifty is down 0.2% on a volume higher than previous session. So ऐसा सिर्फ अभी एक ही दिन है, ठीक है, after such a big uptrend. So that is something very positive. Plus, what's the good part is that Nifty was going through a consolidation phase over here, यहाँ पे, and so there was it reached that level once intraday. But however, the consolidation was very good after a good run over here. एक बार यहाँ पे consolidate किया था, फिर से ऊपर गया, and then it was consolidating here, and now it is breaking out of that zone. So now next level to clear is this 17992. अगर ये लेवल क्लियर हो जाता है आज या कल के सेशन में, then Nifty can continue its up move further. Otherwise, it might continue to consolidate somewhere between 700 to 18,000. So 700 to 18,000 का level consolidate हो सकता है. But if any side it moves, like if it moves above 18,000, then that can be a good uptrend. Similarly, if it moves above below 700 level, then there can be that again a bit lower zone of 100 200 point. और ये जो पूरा zone है which I am indicating now, यहाँ पे वो consolidation continue कर सकता है अगर breakout नहीं होता है तो. But otherwise the setup looks quite good. What's more interesting is the cash market. If you can see the broader market, the rally is very good. There are a lot of stocks that are moving higher. कुछ ऐसे हैं जो bottom से भाग रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसे हैं जो right side of the base बना रहे हैं. Okay, the volume is good, the accumulation is good, even the sectorial indices. So the bank Nifty is very positive. And now the problem for the Nifty was IT, because IT also have a high weighted like bank Nifty. So now IT is also trying to make a bottom since last 2-3 sessions. If you look at the chart of the Infosys, Wipro, right, and the other mid cap IT stocks, हाँ ऐसा लग रहा है कि हाँ अभी 2-3 दिन से वहां पे एक potential bottom establish करने का try कर रहा है, even the index. So if that happens, then if IT as well as the banks both support the Nifty, that will be very good for it. So if you look at the key news, I think yes, again a very good news for the banks. So the credit growth is at a 15.5%, and it is highest since November 2013. So that's excellent. So this high credit growth, that will be the positive for the bank Nifty. And this is the RBI data. And other news, if you can see, the Reliance subsidiary has acquired the polyester business of Shubhalakshmi Polymers and Polytex for around 1600 crores, right? And then Tata Steel is planning to raise funds through NCDs. HG Infra got a completion certificate for its project in Haryana, and Ujjivan Small Finance Bank issued NCD worth rupees 75 crore. Right. So overall, no major negative news. Right. However, it's not mentioned over here, but I think Anupam Rasayan. So there was a fire incident at a plant of Anupam Rasayan, and then there might be some pressure due to that news. However, overall, the news looks quite good. If you look at the global market, so here is where the strength is coming from. So you can see Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq very good strength. So this is the third day, I think, when they did really well, and Nasdaq has even reclaimed its 50 DMA. So again, some global sentiments also positive, no problem over there. If you look at the Asian markets, Shanghai is close to the Nikkei is up 1.1%. Shanghai Kospi is up around 0.3%. So no negatives from there also. Now, if you look at the SGX, the opening looks a bit muted opening. So around 855 is what the SGX Nifty is trading around, and the Nifty was trading around, the closed around 830.35. So no major problem on that side as well. And I think the overall looks good. See, 10-year जो US का yield है, that is also कुछ ऐसा बड़ा नहीं है, 3.3 के around stable था. ठीक है. फिर जो US dollar index है, it is now at a multiple days low. I think 11111 पहुंच गया था US dollar index, and from 111 it is now almost down to 108.5 to 0.7 level. इतना कम हो गया है. So that is good कि currency पे pressure नहीं आएगा, and INR is able to withstand the pressure. I think guys, if you might have seen कि जब dollar index नया high बना रहा था, तब IB उस टाइम जो INR था वो होल्ड कर रहा था. ऐसा नहीं था कि 80 के ऊपर भाग गया था INR का depreciate होके. But now if dollar index is moving lower, then that's again positive for the currency. अगर क्रूड नीचे रहता है 1992 और वहां से भी नीचे जाने का ट्राई करता है, currency stable रहता है, then for economy, for the growth, it is very good for the India. वहां से इन्फ्लेशन भी कंट्रोल अच्छा हो जाएगा, क्योंकि हमारा जो मेजर इन्फ्लेशन है वो इम्पोर्टेड इन्फ्लेशन है, दैट इज ड्यू टू क्रूड. अगर क्रूड 90 के नीचे, 85 के नीचे रहता है, देन दैट विल बी अ वेरी स्टेबल सिचुएशन फॉर इंडिया, द वे इट इज प्लेस्ड करंटली ग्लोबली. So chart of the day, RHIM. So a very good setup. If you can see, it is trying to complete the right side of the base, and yes, so the volume action is also very good. The accumulation on the right side of the base is good. Even जब market गिर रहा था, this stock found support near its 200 DMA. So this is something very positive. This is what we look for, कि जब भी market गिर रहा है और ये 200 DMA पे support लेता है, तो एक कोई भी stock के लिए this is positive. And even if you look at the ratings, the EPS of 93 out of 99 is good. RS strength is good. यहाँ पे देखो राइट साइड पे पूरा ऊपर जा रहा है इसका RS strength. The accumulation distribution rating is very decent, right? No doubt about this. And see, look at this fund holdings. So this is what interesting part is. September 21 में 43 funds थे, ठीक है, फिर 44, then 54, एंड अभी लास्ट क्वार्टर में देखो कितना फंड इंक्रीज हुआ, ऑलमोस्ट 80 फंड्स तक पहुंच गया है इसका. The number of fund holdings, that what I am discussing about. The outlook is also very positive. You can see the 23 and 24 estimates. So especially 24 estimates are very high, almost 20% growth in the EPS. So this will be priced in, then that's positive for the company. And if you look at the last few quarter results, super growth. So I think almost more than 50% for last 6 quarters, and even in the revenue front, the growth is really very good. And the overall business of the company is also, the industry related, the make in India will help it. So जो भी industry related, manufacturing related जो भी stocks है, they are continuously doing well. एंड वैसे भी इसका जो रिलेटेड है कि स्टील, सीमेंट, नॉन फेरस मेटल, ग्लास, तो ये सब परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा कर रहे हैं. सो इट विल बी ऑलवेज गुड फॉर द RHIM's बिजनेस. एंड लेट्स सी इफ द स्टॉक इज 7% टू पिवट, so it can be the part of the watch list if the stock completes the cup pattern और breakout हो गया, क्योंकि अभी मार्केट मोमेंटम में था है. तो अगर कप पैटर्न से डायरेक्ट ब्रेकआउट हो गया, देन दैट्स अ डिफरेंट केस. अदरवाइज देयर आर चांसेस कि हाँ, यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा हैंडल बना ले, ठीक है, एंड मे बी 2-3-5% फ्रॉम हियर इट कैन फॉर्म अ हैंडल ऑन लोअर वॉल्यूम एंड ब्रेकआउट फ्रॉम देयर. So these are the top two possibilities. if it moves higher, but this can be the part of your watch list. So that's it for today's session. Thank you for joining into Pre-Bell with Onil India. So we will join again at 4:30 for after hours, and we will discuss how the market went today. Thank you, everyone.